Welcome back to my channel Dr. Swarna Balaji online Ayurvedic classes. Today we are going to deal with samskaras. It is a basic thing every one of you must know. So without getting late, let's move into our topic. Samskaras. Usually every one of you might have gone through this in the Kaumara Bhritya, that is KB. Firstly, samskaras means the cultural ceremonies. These were different according to different acharyas, and based on the community also the number and names of samskaras might vary. According to Maharshi Dayananda, total number of samskaras which were put forward were 16 in number. This is an entrance examination point of view. The number of samskaras said by Maharshi Dayananda were 16 in number. Okay, it is an PG bit. You have to remember it. Important samskaras were Shodasha samskara, that is 16 in number. We will see one by one. First, we will read what are the total number of samskaras, its number, name, and what is the order at which age they were going to perform. All these will be discussed in today's session. So without going late, let's get into our session. What you have to do is like our video, subscribe to my channel for the best updates in future. So firstly, what is the number of samskaras? That is 16 in number. The number of samskaras is 16. Next, as I have already told to you, we will deal with the names. After the number, we are going to the names. What are the names of samskaras? One by one, I will say you the names. Try to remember in an order so that it will be easy for you to recollect at the time of examination. Okay. What are the number? 16. What are the names? I will say you now. You have to remember one by one in an easy manner. I will say you the trick to remember all these names in an order one. First one is Garbhadana Samskara. Second one is Pumsavana Samskara. Third one is Simantonayanam. Fourth one is Jatakarmam. Fifth one is Namakaranam. Sixth one is Nishkramanam. Seventh one is Annaprashanam. Eighth one is Chudakaranam. Ninth one is Karnavedanam. 10th one is Upanayanam. 11th one is Vedharambham. 12th one is Samavartanam. Okay, I'll say you the meaning of each and every samskara at the end of all these 16 names. 13th one is Vivaham. 14th one is Vanaprastha. 15th one is Sannyasam. 16th one is Swargaroham. Okay, first one, Garbha. After the Garbhadanam, after attainment of pregnancy, Pumsavanam Samskaram is the second samskara which is done for a healthy attainment of child. Okay, for the benefit of the baby, you all will know the Pumsavana Karma is the second thing which is going to be done. Third one is Simantonayanam. After the pregnancy, you all will know Simantopanayanam is the third samskara which is going to be performed in a pregnant lady. Next, Jatakarma means after the delivery, after the baby is born, what are things going to be done? Those all will come in Jatakarmam. Next, Namakaranam, the naming ceremony. Sixth one is Nishkramanam, means outing ceremony. The baby is firstly, he will take into outside environment. It is considered as Nishkramanam. Seventh one is Annaprashana. In the name itself, you all will know that solid food is to be administered to the baby with this Annaprashanam. Eighth one is Chudakaranam, means the hair removal samskara. Karnavedanam is the ninth samskara. To stimulate the brain nerves, we all will perform this Karnavedana samskara. Usually it is going to perform in the 8th month. Upanayanam is the 10th samskara. It is the thing which usually performed in nowadays mostly in some communities. Is done with this Upanayana Samskara. Next, Vedarambam, that is the studying of Vedas will be performed to that baby in this Vedarambam Samskara. Samavartanam. Samavartanam means after the Vedaramba, the teachers will be given their fee in this Samavartana Samskara. Next, Vivaha and Vanaprastham means going into the forest. Sannyasa. You all will know what is the meaning of sannyasa, devoid of all the emotions and family bondings. Next, Swargaroha means after the death, the attainment of Swarga. All these were the names, numbers, and the description of each and every samskara. Next thing is when. What is the time of performing each and every samskara? First one, Pumsavana Samskara is the second. This is the samskara which is going to be done after the first thing, that is Garbhadana Samskara. And the Pumsavana Samskara is done in second or else third month. Next, the Simantonayana Samskara. This is usually done after the fourth month. Okay, usually done in the fourth month. In Shukla Paksha, this is going to be done. Later on, Jatakarma. This is done according to various acharyas. According to Cheraka, this is done in first day onwards. Okay, next, Namakarana Samskara. This is done in the 10th day or else 10th day according to Ashtanga Hridaya and Kashyapa Samhita. According to Ashtanga Sangraha, this is done in 100th day, that is in 1 year period. This Namakarana Samskara is going to be performed. Later on, Nishkramana Samskara. After the fourth month, after the third month, when the baby entered into the fourth month, at that time Nishkramana, that is outing ceremony, the baby is going to be taken out from the closed environment. In that fourth month, we are going to identify the pupillary changes which is going to be occurred in the baby, and due to sounds which is going to be happen in the outside environment, the reactions which is given by the baby to that sounds is to be identified in the Nishkramana Samskara. Okay, next, Upaveshana Samskara. This is performed in 5th or else 6th month. Next, Annaprashana. This is done in 6th, 8th, 10th according to 6th month in Sushruta. As per Sushruta Acharya, Annaprashana is going to be done in 6th month. According to Bhava Prakasha, in 6 to 8 months. According to Kashyapa Samhita, this is the ceremony which is going to be performed in the 10th month. Next, Karnavyadana Samskara, ear piercing. This is done according to Sushrutacharya 6th or 7th month. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, 6th, 7th or else 8th month. Next, Phalaprashana. This is told by only Kashyapa Samhita and it is not included in the 16 samskaras. Okay, at the 6th month of baby, this is going to be performed. And the last thing is Chudakarma. This is done in the 3rd year. Next, Upanayana is done in 5th year, and Godana Samskara is performed in 16 years of age. Godana Samskara means shaving. This is the mostly this is done in male babies. Okay, at the boys who attain their 16 years of age, this Godana Samskara is going to be performed. Okay, this entire session, here we have learned what are samskaras, what are the number and names according to various acharyas, and what is the time period of each and every samskara. This helps you to learn and remember the samskaras, cultural ceremonies, in an easy way. What you have to do is like our video, subscribe to our channel Stay tuned and follow my channel for more and more updates regarding our Ayurveda and diseases and treatment.